My name is Philip Azeke. I'm a barista at the Fusion Cake and Cafe, number 7B Wale Area, Road 11, Lekki Phase 1, Lagos, Nigeria. I'm going to take you on a journey of the world of coffee brewing. At the Fusion Cake and Cafe, we do varieties of coffee, ranging from espresso, cappuccino, americano, and coffee latte. But today, I'm going to be taking you on a one-on-one lesson on how to brew the coffee espresso. Come with me, I take you on a journey of the coffee world. Alright viewers, welcome back. Like I said, this is the Fusion Cake and Cafe. Standing right behind me is one of the best bread you can find in town. This is called butter bread, made purely from butter and flour. And below it is the different sizes of our coffee cups. This one is the 12-ounce cups. This ones are 16 ounce, and this one are 20 ounce. Depending on how much you take coffee. This is our coffee bean. This is the one we blend to make the coffee. This is my coffee blender. And for those of you that don't like taking sugar, you have your creamer, or you can use just sweetener. In order to add more spice and have good aroma in your coffee, you can use cinnamon. It's very good. And I choose pig milk because over time it has been the best milk I have been using for my customers, and they love it very, very much. Depending on which type you want, there's full cream and there's low fat. Most of my customers prefer to use full cream, and that's why I love pig milk, full cream. And this is my espresso machine. This is my presser, and this is my shot spoon. You have the one shot and you have the two shot, depending on what the customer wants. And this is my cup for measuring my milk. Now, first things first, you do this. Then next thing you do, I already have my coffee bean in the blender, so all I just need to do is to blend. It depends on how much you want to blend. Some people prefer it to be very, very soft, very, very powder. That is, if you're making an espresso, and sometimes you can blend for 5 to 3 minutes, depending on how speed your blender can be. But my blender is new and it's very, very fast. So I blend for 2 to 3 minutes. While you're blending, you can take a very close look from here, because when you look at it from here, you can actually see what you are blending, okay? All right, I finished blending. I already have some blended coffees in the cup, so what I need to do is to bring out my shots from the espresso machine. And for the shots, we have varieties of shots. There's one shot and there's a two shot. As you can see, this is smaller and this is bigger, depending on what the customer wants. My customer demands one shot because he's alone. Now what you need to do is to bring out your already powdered coffee bean. Mind you, it's blend already. Now, this is your shot spoon. This is one shot, and this is two shots. Now, do it this way. hope you can see what I'm doing. Now the next thing you need to do is to flatten the top of your coffee. Now you use your presser and you press. Why we press is because you want the espresso machine to work faster and you get the exact espresso you want to get when you're brewing. Now put in your one shot into the machine, the handler, and now we move it straight into the espresso machine. Now, while it's in there, you bring out your cups. It depends on the cup you want. I normally use the 16-ounce cup because most of my customers, that's what they prefer. Now, you put it in and you brew. While it's brewing, you bring out your milk cup. As you can see, it's coming out very thick and creamy. Now you bring out your milk. Now while this is still brewing, in order for you to steam the milk, you do bring out your other machine, and first of all, because this is a brewing machine, you always have water stored in the milk warmer. So first thing you need to do is to drain out the water so that the water doesn't get into the milk. Now this is how you drain the water. As you can see, the water is coming out. Now the water is out. We already have our brewed coffee. We are doing this because we want the milk to be steamed and we need to take away the water. Now the water is out. Now take your milk, put it inside. Depending on how you want it to be, I want my coffee to be creamier and have so many foam. So what I need to do first of all is to, now for you to have foam, you need to take it up and down, or you roll and roll and roll and roll and roll and roll. While you're doing this is a full cream milk. For you to get the exact foam that you need for your espresso, you take it up and down, 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 until you achieve the desired foam that you need. Wow, this is beautiful. Thank you.